Hi everyone, welcome to Indian curry recipes. Today we are making mutton ribs, or you can buy mutton chops as well with more meat in it. Don't forget to subscribe. Alright, so 5 to 6 medium ribs or chops. Score it with the knife. Both the sides. Now in a bowl, add 2 tablespoons of ginger and garlic paste, 1 tablespoon lemon juice, 2 tablespoons of yogurt, 1 teaspoon red chilli powder, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon cumin powder, 1 teaspoon black salt, 1 teaspoon garam masala powder, now mix this all really well. Nice and smooth paste. Add 1 teaspoon Kashmiri red chilli powder. I will be adding 2 as per my taste and preference. This will give the nice color to the dish. Now mix this all really well. Add the chops or ribs to the marination. And rub the masala into it, into the cuts, really well. So the marination goes deep into the ribs and it tastes really well, coat it really well. I suggest marinate it for 1 week or more. It really tastes really better with all the marination and the taste. And the meat gets tender as well with the marination. Add salt as per your taste. And mix this again really well. Store it in an airtight container in the fridge. You can use steak too and use the same masala. I have used this on iron skillet. Add a little bit of oil and fry on both sides. Cook it till done as per your preference. Or you can pop this in the oven as well. Your mutton ribs or chops is ready. Do visit us on indiancurryrecipes.com. Thank you.